An integral is improper if one or both limits of integration are infinite, or the integrand is unbounded in the limits of integration. So in this case, the natural log of 0 is undefined. So we can use limits of definite integrals to evaluate these improper integrals. So for the first example, we replace infinity with a dummy variable that approaches infinity, and then the integral is written as follows. And then you evaluate this definite integral and then take the limit to obtain the result. Now we have both limits of the integral being infinite, we can evaluate this integral piecewise. And you can use the same method to introduce a dummy variable, evaluate the integral and then take the limit. And similar with this third integral, we can introduce a dummy variable. So this approaches 0 from the right hand side, where the natural log of x is defined. Then you can evaluate the definite integral and take the limit to get the result. Let's determine if this integral converges. So what we have is an improper integral because we have a limit of integration that's infinity. So we replace that with a dummy variable and take the limit as the dummy variable goes to infinity. So effectively we're integrating from 2 to b, and our integrand is 1 on x squared. And now we can basically evaluate this integral, so we get minus 1 on x, evaluated from 2 to b, and we take the limit as b goes to infinity. So what we obtain is the limit as b goes to infinity of minus 1 on b minus a half. So when b goes to infinity, this term disappears, and therefore we obtain 1/2, and therefore the integral converges, because we obtained a finite value.